वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करेंगे हाउ टू मेक मनी थ्रू एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग। एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग के थ्रू आप लोग कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो को। एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग इज़ वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट मार्केटिंग प्रैक्टिसेस वेयर पब्लिशर्स प्रमोट अ बिजनेस using an affiliate link and gain commission from the sales, leads, clicks or downloads it generates for the business. Most affiliate programs are free, and when business sign up for the program, a unique tracking link is created that is used whenever the business is promoted on a social media platform or a website. Different affiliate programs use other payment terms. Here are some methods affiliate programs follow. Pay per click (PPC). You make money online based on the number of visitors redirected by your affiliate site to the advertiser's website. Pay per sale. You make money online when the purchase is completed. The advertiser pays you a percentage of the sale. Pays per lead. You make money online when visitors provide their contact info on the advertiser's website. We are sure that you wonder how can you do affiliate marketing and the best ways to make money through affiliate marketing as well we will examine these questions in depth. What is affiliate marketing? Let's begin with the broad definition of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the oldest marketing practices which gains affiliates a commission in the case of sale based on the affiliate recommendation. It is one of the cheapest and easiest ways of marketing as you don't need to create and sell a product. Just one thing you need to do is to enable a link connection between buyer and seller and take your commission when the sale is made. How to make money in affiliate marketing? As you see, affiliate marketing is a passive income source. It is highly competitive. It is true, but still, it may be so easy to make money online with affiliate marketing. To be successful, you need to learn what works and what does not while promoting your products. If you ask yourself, how can I do affiliate marketing? Here are the tips. Be patient. There are many affiliate marketing works, so discovering what works for you best is a process that requires patience. You can feed your website with qualified content to get high ranking positions, raise awareness, attend affiliate marketing events, seminars, or webinars, and join a discussion forum or online communities to meet new people who significantly contribute to developing you. Choose more attractive products, promoting everything by registering with different affiliate programs would be a mistake. Instead of promoting everything, promote a few unique, profitable products that can reach large masses. You can't focus on each of them intensely, and the result would be disappointing. So, you need to understand market needs and desires and place your products accordingly to make money as an affiliate. Use several traffic sources. The chance of making money online rises with the more traffic you send to the sales page. It's okay to run on a site, but it has some missing point. The best example is from Google AdWords. By making an ad in your AdWord account, your sales page gets targeted traffic from various channels. Attract targeted traffic. The core function of making money is to push people to click your affiliate links. There are four ways to do this: paid advertising, free advertising, article marketing, and email marketing. तो एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग से आप लोग कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं, हमने देखा आज की वीडियो के अंदर। वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए। आप लोगों से हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर। हमें इजाज़त दीजिए। अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। टेक केयर एंड गुड बाय।